Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials so directions work reliably. Unlock your phone, connect it to the car via Bluetooth or USB so audio prompts play through the speakers, and make sure location and mobile data are enabled. Open Google Maps, type or voice your destination, and select the driving icon. Once done, tap Start while stationary. You don't want to input routes while moving. Make sure route options, avoid tolls or highways, match your preference before you roll. You follow turn-by-turn guidance while keeping your eyes mostly on the road. Use voice directions and the simplified, glanceable map view. Tap the speaker icon to change volume. If traffic changes, Google suggests alternates. Tap one or drag a route segment to detour. Watch ETA and remaining distance. If you need a stop, search along route for gas, food, or parking and add it. Make sure lane guidance and speed limits are visible, so you can react safely to upcoming merges and exits. You complete navigation by tapping Finish when parked. Don't end routes while driving. If connectivity drops, switch to a stored offline map by pre-downloading the area, or enable Wi-Fi assist/mobile data fallback so reroutes continue. If Maps misroutes you, pull over safely and recalibrate GPS by toggling location or walking a short distance, then re-enter the destination. Finally, report persistent errors in the app so Maps improves. This helps prevent repeated wrong turns for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.